Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISE Topper Classes. Here we are going to discuss exercise 7 question number 1 to 12 chapter Quadratic Equations of class 9th M.L.aggarwal. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let us solve this exercise. Here we are going to solve exercise 7 in this video. So in this exercise we will use to solve quadratic equation concept so that we can solve these equations. So firstly, to solve a quadratic equation, here we have to clear the fraction from the equation and form it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c to solve it. Now secondly, we have to factorize the left hand side into product of two linear factors so that we can solve, and then put the linear factor equal to 0 and then solve the resulting linear equation. So here, this is the process to solve the quadratic equation. So let us start solving question number first of this exercise. First part here is x square minus 11x plus 30 equal to 0. So let us solve it. Here we can solve it. Firstly, we have to see that on multiplying x square coefficient and the value of constant, we have to here add the part here to see that if we multiply that part, we will get as 30, and on adding and subtracting, we will get minus 11x. So let us write here x square minus 6x minus 5x means 6 into 5 is 30 only. So it will be minus 6x minus 5x equal to 30. Now we can simply write it as, on taking x as common, x minus 6, and here minus 5 as common, so x minus 6 equal to 0. From here only x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 5 is the final answer here in this question. Now let us solve the second part here, which is 4x square minus 25 equal to 0. For solving this, we can write it as 4x square equal to 25 and x square is equal to 25 by 4. On taking under root here, we can write it as x as plus minus 5 by 2. So this is the value of x. We can write it as x is equal to 5 by 2 or x is equal to minus 5 by 2 is the final answer here in this question. Now let us solve question number 2 first part, which is 2x square minus 5x equal to 0. We can simply write it as 2x square equal to 5x. X will be cancelled out from here. Here we will get x is equal to 5 by 2. So this is the final value of x is equal to 5 by 2. So this is the answer here in first part. Now we can solve the second part as x square minus 2x equal to 45. We can simply write it as x square minus 2x minus 48 equal to 0. And here on multiplying x square coefficient, we will get 48 only. So on multiplying what, we will get on adding and subtracting those values as minus 2. So 6 into 8 is equal to, if we subtract it, we will get 2. So here simply we can write it as minus 8x plus 6x minus 48 equal to 0. X is common, so x minus 8. 6 is common, so x minus 8 here. Simply we will get x as minus 6 or x is equal to 8 as the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here. Now let us solve first part, which is 6 plus x is equal to x square. Simply we can write here as x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Now we will solve this left hand side. Here we have to get on multiplying those numbers as 6, and on subtracting or adding them we will get minus x. So minus 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So minus 3x plus 2x is equal to minus x, and here minus 6 equal to 0. X as x minus 3 plus 2 x minus 3, and here x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 2 is the final answer here in this question. Now the second part of third question is 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So simply here we can write as 2x square minus, now we have to get On multiplying here 1 into 2 2, and on subtracting this we will get as minus 3x. So minus 2x and minus x plus 1 we can get here. Now we can take common factors to form a linear equation. So 2x here and x minus 1 here, minus 1 x minus 1 equal to 0, and 2x minus 1 x minus 1 equal to 0, and x is equal to 1 by 2 or x is equal to 1 is the final answer here in this question. Now first part here is 3x square is equal to 2x plus 8. So simply here we can write as 3x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Here on multiplying this we will get 24. So on multiplying what numbers we will get 24, and we will get on subtracting them as minus 2. So simply 6 into 4 is 24 only. We can write here minus 6x plus 4x. Here we will get minus 2x and minus 8 equal to 0. So simply here on taking common we will get 3x x minus 2 plus 4x minus 2. So now we can put 3x plus 4 and x minus 2 equal to 0. So 3x plus 4 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. Hence x is equal to minus 4 by 3, or x is equal to 2 is the final answer here in this question. Now second part here is, so here second part is 4x square plus 15 is equal to 16x. So simply we can write here as 4x square minus 16x plus 15 equal to 0. Here we can write as 4x square minus 10x minus 6x, because on multiplying this we will get 15 into 4 as 60 only, and on adding them we will get 16x plus 15 equal to 0. Now we can form factors here. So taking 2x from here common, here we will get 2x minus 5 minus 3 as common, x minus 5, 2x minus 5, sorry. Now we will put 0, equalizing them with 0. We will get x as 5 by 2, or x is equal to 3 by 2 is the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here. Let us solve the first part here, which is x 2x plus 5 equal to 25. So here we can write it as 2x square plus 5x minus 25 equal to 0. So 25 into 2 is equal to 50, and 2x square plus 10x minus 5x, and here minus 25. Now we can form factors here by taking 2x common, x plus 5 minus 5 as common, so x plus 5 equal to 0, x is equal to 5 by 2 or x is equal to minus 5 is the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here. Now let us solve second part here, which is, so x plus 3 and x minus 3 is equal to 50 here, 40. So here we can write as formula x square minus 3 का whole square equal to 40. So x square minus 9 minus 40 is equal to 0. X square minus 49 equal to 0, and x square is equal to 49. So x is equal to plus 7 or minus 7 is the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here. Now let us solve first part here, which is 2x plus 3 and here x minus 4 equal to 6. So simply here we can write as 2x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 12 is equal to 6, and here 2x square minus 5x minus 12 minus 6 equal to 0. So 2x square minus 5x minus 18 equal to 0. Here we can take as 2x square minus 9x plus 4x minus 18 equal to 0, or we can write plus 4x this side and minus 9x this side. So on taking common we will get factors x plus 4 minus 9 here as common. So it will be, sorry, x plus 2 here, and here also x plus 2. From here On writing it as x plus 2 and 2x minus 9 equal to 0, we can find x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 9 by 2 is the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here. Now second part here is 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 3 equal to 3. So here we can write as 6x square plus 9x plus 2x plus 3 equal to 3. So 3 will be cancelled out from here, and here we will get 6x square plus 11x equal to 0. So 6x square is equal to minus 11x, and x will be cancelled out, so x is equal to minus 11 by 6 is the final answer here in this question. Now let us solve seventh first part, which is 4x square plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So here we can write it as 4x square plus 4x plus 1, so it will be 2x plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. 2x taking as common, x 2x plus 1 plus 1 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So here simply we get the same value of x from both factors as minus 1 by 2. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2 is the final answer here in this question. Now second part is x minus 4 का whole square plus 5 का whole square is equal to 13 का whole square. We can write it as x square plus 16 minus 8x plus 25 equal to 169. So x square minus 8x plus 16 plus 25 is equal to 31 from 41, sorry, from here it will be 41 equal to 169, and x square minus 8x plus 41 minus 169 equal to 0. On subtracting this value, we will get x square minus 8x minus 128 from here equal to 0. So simply we can write here as x square minus 8x minus 128 equal to 0. So here we can write as x square minus 16x plus 8x minus 128 equal to 0. So x is x minus 16 plus 8 as common, so x minus 1 and 48 here, so 16 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 8 or x is equal to 16 is the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here in this question. Eighth first part here, which is 21x square equal to 4 2x plus 1. So simply we can solve firstly 21x square equal to 8x plus 4, 21x square minus 8x minus 4 equal to 0. So 21, write it as 21x square minus 14x plus 6x minus 4 equal to 0. So taking 7x here common is equal to 3x minus 2 plus 2 as common, 3x minus 2. So from here 3x minus 2 and 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 by 3 or x is equal to minus 2 by 7 is the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer. Now the second question here in 8th is 2 by 3 x square minus 1 by 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Firstly, we will convert the fraction into ax square plus bx plus c. So it will be 2x square minus x minus 3 equal to 0. And here we will get 2x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So here simply, here we can write as x is common, so it will be 2x minus 3 plus 1 here common, so 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Hence x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 equal to 0, as x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to 3 by 2 is the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here. Now let us solve ninth first part here, which is 6x plus 29 equal to 5 by x. So here we can simply write as 6x square plus 29x minus 5 equal to 0. It will be 6 into 5 as 30. So 6x square plus 30x minus x minus 5 equal to 0. Taking 6x as common, x plus 5 minus 1, x plus 5. So simply we can write as 6x minus 1, and here x plus 5 equal to 0. X is equal to 1 by 6 or x is equal to minus 5 is the final answer here in this question. Now ninth second part here is x plus 1 by x is equal to 2 1.5. So here we can write as, on taking LCM, x square plus 1 minus 5 by 2, 5 by 2x equal to 0. So here 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Here we can solve as 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. So 2x is common, so x minus 2 minus 1 x minus 2. We can write as x minus 2 and 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So x will be equal to 2 or x is equal to 1 by 2 is the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here. Now let us solve 10th first part, which is 3x minus 8 by x equal to 2. So it will be 3x square minus 8 minus 2x equal to 0. So it will be 3x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Here we can simply write as 24 is the thing. So 3x square minus 6x plus 4 x minus 8 equal to 0, because 6 into 4 is 24 only. So 3x taking as common x minus 2, here we will get, and 4 as common x minus 2 again. So x minus 2 and 3x plus 4 is equal to 0, and x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 4 by 3 is the final answer here in this question. Now let us solve 10th second part here, which is x by 3 plus 9 by x equal to 4, and here on taking LCM we will get x square plus 9 into 3 here as 27 equal to 4 into 12x. So here we can write x square minus 12x plus 27 equal to 0. 27 is equal to 9 into 3. On adding 9 and 3 we will get minus 12x. So minus 9x minus 3x plus 27 is equal to 0. Taking x as common, here x minus 9 plus 3 x minus 9 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 9 is the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here. Now let us solve 11th first part, which is x minus 1 x plus 1 equal to 2x minus 5, here 3x minus 7. So here we can simply write it as 3x minus 7 into x minus 1 equal to 2x minus 5, here x plus 1. So simply 3x square minus 3x minus 7x plus 7 equal to 2x square plus 2x minus 5x minus 5. So 3x square minus 2x square 10. So minus 10x, and here we can write minus 3x or plus 3x plus 7 plus 5 equal to 0. So it will be x square minus 7x plus 7 plus 5 here as 12 equal to 0. So 12 is equal to 4 into 3 means x square minus 4x minus 3x will be on adding as 7x plus 12 equal to 0. Taking x as common, we will get x minus 4 minus 3 as common, x minus 4 again. So x minus 3 and x minus 4 is equal to 0. From here x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 4 is the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here. Now let us solve 11 second part, which is 1 by x plus 2 plus 1 by x equal to 3 by 4. So simply we can write as x plus 2 taking as LCM, we will get x plus 2 equal to 3 by 4 x into x plus 2. So here we can write as 2x plus 2 equal to 3 by 4 x square plus 2x. So 2x plus 2 is equal to 3 by 4 x square plus 6 by 4 x, and here it is 3 by 4 x square plus 6 by 4 x minus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. 3 by 4 x square plus 6x, taking 4 as common, it will be minus 8x divided by 4 only, and here minus 8. It is 4 only here equal to 0. So 3 by 4 x square minus, because whole LCM is 4, so minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Now we can write 3x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. So now we can take minus 6x plus 4x, so that we can get minus 2x here. So 3x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 8 equal to 0. Here 3 is common. We will get x minus 2 plus 4 x minus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 4 by 3 or x is equal to 2 is the final answer here in this question. So this is the answer here. Let us solve here question number 12, first part, which is 8x plus 3, here minus 3, 2 minus x equal to 2. So it is 8, 2 minus x minus 3, x plus 3 equal to 2, x plus 3, and here 2 minus x. So 16 minus 8x minus 3x minus 9 equal to 2. Here 2x minus x square plus 6 minus 3x. Simply we can write as 16 minus 9 as 7 minus 9, 10, 11x minus 11x equal to 2x minus 3x as minus x square plus 6 equal to 7 minus 11x equal to minus 2x square plus 12. So it will be 7 minus 11x plus 2x square minus 12 equal to 0. 2x square minus 11x plus 2x will be minus 9x. 7 minus 12, 5 equal to 0. So 2x square 10 minus 10x plus x minus 5 equal to 0. Taking 2x as common, x minus 5 plus 1 as common, here also x minus 5 equal to 0. Writing it as 2x plus 1 and x minus 5 equal to 0. So x will be minus 1 by 2 or x will be equal to 5. So this is the answer here in this question. Now let us solve question number 12, second part here, which is x by x plus 1 plus x plus 1 divided by x equal to 2 1 by 6. So here we can simply write it as, on taking LCM, so x square plus x plus 1 का whole square equal to 13 by 6 x into x plus 1. So x square plus 1 plus 2x equal to 13 by 6x square plus 13 by 6x. So here 2x square minus 13 by 6x square plus 2x minus 13 by 6x plus 1 equal to 0. So here we can write it as minus x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0, plus 6, sorry, on taking LCM, and here x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0 or multiplying with minus. So x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. It will be x square, taking x as common, x plus 3, and here minus 2 is common, here also x plus 3. So we can simply write it as x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 3 is the final answer here in this question. So this is. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.